Hey folks, it's week 7 and this is your daily forecast. We have 3 tasks today. Task 1, I want you to watch 3 of the following animated videos that center around the theme of masculinity. So go ahead and do that. Make sure to read my note right here. The next thing, I want you to reflect on the videos that you watched. All right? So what I've done here is I have written some discussion questions that are based on the Gillum and Wooden article that you read for homework to help you see what the filmmakers might be doing in terms of their portrayals of masculinity if we apply that to a larger social context. So after you reflect on those discussion questions, I want you to write down your thoughts into a 1-paragraph reflection, just 5 to 6 sentences. Keep in mind that just like last time, you can either look at all of those questions and focus on a particular short film that you watched, or you can focus on a single discussion question and then answer that question as it cuts across the different films that you watched. It's totally up to you. But just remember that I would just sort of home in on one key takeaway because you're working with a really tiny canvas, okay? After you have done that, I want you to share that reflection to Slack on Pop Research Channel 4. And then, of course, after you've done that, I would like you to read and meaningfully respond to 2 of your peers' reflections. Remember that the point of this is to really help us understand how we strengthen our critical thinking skills by being in dialogue with other people invested in having an intelligent conversation. Okay? Yeah, so for homework, I would like you to read Atta and Thompson's Weight Bias in the Media, and you're going to use the active reading model again to read that article. Okay. Oh, and last, an appeal to democracy. If you are a person who is able to vote, I thought that it might be a good idea to remind you that early voting starts today. So you can vote early in this election from October 6th to November 2nd. So yeah, and if you click on this link right here, it'll show you where you can early vote in your county. All right, cool. So you know what you're doing in class, you know what the homework is, and let's just have a good day in class. Okay.